Hey folks, welcome back to Simple Man's Barbecue. My name is Jason. Today I got a little special treat for you. This is a recipe that my wife has made for me a lot of times, and she has given me permission to make it for y'all. And it's okay for you. It's okay with you, right?
Yes.
Okay, there we go. All right, so what I'm going to do is, first of all, what you need one package of bacon bits. You need one package of ranch dip mix, or you can go with the Hidden Valley Ranch. Cubed up Velveeta cheese, or you can go with cheddar cheese, but my wife always used the Velveeta cheese, which is delicious. 1 pound of hamburger meat, 16 ounces of sour cream, 1 cup of chopped pickles, and of course a bag of chips. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our sour cream, put in this big old bowl. Then we're going to take our Hidden Valley Ranch. Well, I shouldn't say Hidden Valley Ranch. Sorry, this is the Kroger brand ranch.
I love Kroger stuff.
All right.
Just give that a good mix.
All right, kids. Let's go do that.
Okay, now we got that all mixed up. So now what we're going to do, add our chopped up pickles, chopped up Velveeta cheese. Yeah, there, boy. Gotta go with our bacon bits. Don't want to put that in there though. That won't be very good. And then of course, our hamburger meat. This is the star of the show. Just give that a good mix. Now come on, folks. If that doesn't look good to you, then I don't know what does, man.
We probably can't be friends.
We probably can't be friends. And it's just as simple as that, folks. That's about as simple as you can get, man. Keep it simple, baby.
And if you want, you can also add chives.
Yes,
But
also add chives if you want. You can add anything you want to this, or take anything you want to this. This is just a recipe that my wife has made for me all the time. Well, there you have it, folks. That took me all of about 20 minutes to make, to cook up the hamburger meat and get everything together. The simplest part was just putting it all together. Look at that. Yeah, let me get in on this. There you go, folks. Cheers.
One of my favorites.
You can't go wrong with this, folks.
This is good for every day if you just want it.
Make this for any kind of party event, any kind of just an everyday event, whatever, man. Make that. Your friends and family will love you for it. This is bomb.com, baby. Well, there you have it, folks. About as simple as it can get, right? Listen, I appreciate y'all watching me again today. I love all my subscribers out there. Please like and subscribe to my page, for my channel if you haven't yet. I hope you enjoyed my videos that I put out for you. And just do me a favor, man. Have a blessed day, and always remember to keep it simple. See you next time.